Imagine a world where everyone sneezes at the exact same moment. The sound would be deafening, like a thunderstorm erupting indoors. Shockwaves would ripple through the air, shaking windows and rattling dishes. The sheer force of millions of sneezes could create a minor atmospheric disturbance. Now think about the aftermath. In that split second, germs would spray in every direction. A cloud of tiny droplets would envelop the area, spreading cold and flu viruses like wildfire. Hospitals would be overwhelmed as people rush in, feeling the effects of this synchronized sneeze. But it's not just about health. The surprise would lead to chaos. People would drop what they're doing, eyes wide in disbelief. Social gatherings would turn into a frenzy of laughter, confusion, and maybe even panic.